Hey everyone, welcome back. This is another gorgeous sunny day in London. Speaking of the sun being out, we're gonna go back in time for today's episode for when we went to Los Angeles to Vidcon. We met Fun for Louis, Jay Shetty, David Dobrik, and we had the most crazy time. There were like thousands of screaming teenagers, delicious food, fun YouTube focused events, and everything. So let's go back in time. But before we go back in time, of course, subscribe. We make gorgeous vegan food and videos like this every day. And let us know your thoughts down in the comments below. We respond to all of the comments we receive. So let's get started. Welcome to VidCon. Welcome to Anaheim. This place is epic. We've been hanging out with tons and tons of video fans, screaming kids everywhere. We got to see conferences. We got to eat some banging food. There's experiences from brands all over the shop. It's been a whirlwind experience. Incredible ride. And we're going to show you around. So here we are at Vidcon. This place is absolutely bonkers. It's like a feast for the senses. Everywhere you look, there's like color, there's brands, there's people playing around and doing cool things. Honestly, this is an experience. I don't really know what to make of it. And it gives you the feeling that like these YouTubers are like the rock stars of today. Really, really cool. Facebook, thank you for bringing us out here. It's been a load of fun. Now I'm going to give you a quick tour around the building so you can get a feeling of what VidCon is like.
So that was VidCon. We've eaten some fantastic food, met some great people, and learned an awful lot. VidCon, you're amazing. We have had a wonderful trip. Started off with Facebook Creator Day.
We don't really know what to expect today. What does this flowery tunnel make you think of, mate?
Look who it is, it's eco-vegan girl.
And what am I doing? Well, eating a cauliflower taco, which was unbelievable up there in Malibu. Then we had a fantastic experience at VidCon all the way down in Anaheim, which incidentally isn't Los Angeles, it's Orange County. We've eaten some phenomenal food.
This is high-grade food. Wow. Oh my goodness.
This is chicken of the seitan variety. Wow. We've spoken to some incredible people and learnt a whole bunch about exactly what's going on in social media at the moment. It's really exciting. This has been a badass trip. We cannot wait to come back. In fact, I can't wait to come back here and live here. I'd love to live here. This is a wonderful place to be.
There we go. That was the end of our time in LA. We hope you've enjoyed this trip with us. Next up, we're going back to London. So tomorrow you can expect another London-focused video. I believe we may be doing a sausage roll that's vegan, but we'll find out tomorrow. Let us know your thoughts down in the comments below. Subscribe if you're not already. Join the V-Gang. Subscribe and be part of Team BOSH. We'll see you tomorrow.